full furnace and duct cleaning process. Calgary Professional explains. Now, if it's been a couple years since you've had your ducts cleaned last, the best thing you can do is get your ducts cleaned first. The duct cleaning company is going to come in, they're going to go around your house, and they're going to be able to, with high pressure compressed air, blow them through your supply runs, and then try to suck as much of the dust and debris that's collected over the last while. For a lot of homes, the last time their ducts were cleaned was on the day of possession. It's really important to do that first before you do your annual maintenance on your furnace, because that way when your annual maintenance comes in, you get a new fresh filter on your furnace, and you're not bringing back that dust that used to be in your ducts. Always do the duct cleaning first. Now, on the furnace maintenance, you're going to want to do that annually based on what the manufacturer recommends. And on a duct cleaning basis, you can do that 2, 3, 4 years, depending on your own need. But when you do it, you want to make sure you get it done first prior to the furnace service.